This is more than just law. This is affecting a person on a day-to-day basis.
There were barriers for sure.
If we don't address it, it's going to continue to get worse.
The demand for substantive training and education within health law continues to increase. Combining practical education, theoretical knowledge, and the right opportunities for preparing the future workforce, DePaul University's health law program is doing just that, and a whole lot more for the community at large.
The DePaul University College of Law intends to solve towering health industry problems.
Trying the same things over and over again has not resulted in a lot of positive change.
Change begins with expanding the diversity of the future workforce within health law by removing long-standing barriers in education.
A lot of times there are a lot of barriers to entry, and Jaharis Health Law Institute tries to break down those barriers to entry in multiple ways.
Critically needed steps to remove inequalities in health.
I just fundamentally believe in equality, and I don't see that in health law yet.
Palak Desai's studies are driven by personal experience. Her grandparents struggled to get basic care.
Having to go bankrupt just to save your loved one's life is incredibly unfair, and no one should ever have to do that.
Gender and racial inclusion also drew her to DePaul.
There are a lot of women and people of color who I identify with. It's a very, very diverse faculty here. So I've found several mentors.
Leaders at the Jaharis Health Law Institute also prepare student leaders by integrating Chicago's robust community of legal practitioners into its rigorous curriculum.
We really get both sides of it. We get the theoretical research based learning along with the practical hands-on experience.
Another avenue for real-world practical experience is the Summer Scholars Program. Students get paid on-the-job experience with some of the best in the field.
Our goal is to make sure that students have the ability to take these great opportunities without feeling a financial constraint.
And they have high-profile hospital partners in that effort.
Practical experience in the hospital setting is critical to any healthcare lawyer.
So this allows me to give back to inspiring healthcare lawyers and to be able to train and mentor and groom the next generation of attorneys.
To make sure the future workforce in health law looks different from the past workforce.
I think diversity in experience is going to allow for innovation. And I think in the health law space in particular, innovation is just required.
Innovation and education benefits the community at large, too.
We hold symposia and other academic events catered to not only students, but working professionals to educate them on cutting-edge issues.
Dedication at the Institute is forwarding the university's mission by looking at the intersection of health and intellectual property through a lens of equity and equality.
What matters to me the most in health law is really making sure that tomorrow looks better than today.
When we talk about the challenges facing the future workforce, or issues like promoting diversity and inclusion within health law, practical application is what's required for meaningful impact. Bringing together the experienced experts, the employers, and the students, and giving them the opportunities to be the future health law partners, policymakers, and critical thinkers.